Choo choo! Welcome to the Choo Choo Jungle Safari. Today we're going on a magical adventure to learn phonics letters while exploring the jungle. All aboard! Let's get started! A says A for apple. Look at the monkey eating an apple. Can you say up? B says B for bear and berries. Let's say it together. B bear. C says P for cat. The cat is having fun. Can you say C? D says deer. The deer is jumping. Let's jump to deer. E says E. E for elephant. Look at the elephant splashing water. Can you say E? F says F. F for frogs. Let's count the frogs. 1, 2, 3. F frogs. G says D. G for grapes and green parrots. Say it with me. G grapes. H says E. H for hippo. The hippo is so happy. Say it with me. G jaguar. I says I. I for igloo. Let's stay cool like the penguins. I igloo. J says J. J for jaguar. Look at the jaguar jumping. Say it with me. G jaguar. K says K. K for kangaroo. Look at the kangaroo hop. 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 Can you say K? L says O. L for lion. The lion is roaring loudly. Say it with me. O, a lion. M says B for monkey. Let's say it together. Monkey. In. And for night owl. Listen to the owl hoot in the night. O says O for orangutan. Look at the orangutan swinging. Can you say O? P says peacock. The peacock is spreading its feathers. Say it with me. Peacock. Q says Q. Q for quail. The quail is quick and quiet. Can you say Q? R says R for rabbit. The rabbit loves to hop. 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 Let's say it together. Wrong rabbit. S says is. S for snake. Look at the snake slither. Say it with me. A snake. Snake. T says T for tiger. The tiger is big and strong. Can you say Q? U says U. U for umbrella bird. What a funny bird. Let's say T is V. V for vulture. The vulture is flying very high. Can you say V? W says Waboo. Look at the whale. Look at the whale splashing water. Say it with me. W the whale. X says Kaz. X for X-ray fish. The fish is swimming fast. Let's say it together. X-ray fish. Y says Yai. Yai for yak is big and fluffy. Can you say Yai? Z says zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Say it with me. Zebra. Wow! We've learned all our phonics letters in the jungle safari. Great job, everyone. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Can you hop like a rabbit? Hop. Hop.
That was so much fun. Keep practicing your letters and I'll see you next time.
Choo choo. Bye bye.